Okay, hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Waga. We are going to continue with our views in SwiftUI, and we're going to look at the simplest of controls today. That is the toggle view. Now, the toggle view is basically it's pretty simple. You toggle it on and off, or true or false, and like the other controls, you need to bind it to a variable. So how that works is quite simple. Is you come to the content view, and just above it, you put in the state. Sorry. The state it's acting up, private var, and we could call it toggled, and we could default it to true. And yeah, we could default it to true like so. And in here we're going to have a vstack, right? We could have a vstack with everything. Put a vstack and put an initializer, and in the initializer we could say spacing is going to be 30 between them, and after that we're going to have a text telling us what this is, and the text is going to be toggle, and we're going to give it a modifier, and that is going to be large title like so. And then underneath we're going to have the toggle, actual toggle, and we are going to connect it to the is on, and sorry, let's just type it out, is on, and the is on is going to be bound to the $ toggled like so. Now after that is going to be bound to the toggled, and after that we're going to give it a label of text, and we're going to say toggle like so, and maybe we could give it a bit of padding, and let's just resume and we can see it. So basically you have the toggle there, and we can run it on our simulator. And if we come to our simulator, let's just close this. I was working with it a bit earlier, and we see our toggle. So we could hit that. There, that's the toggle. There is to say about the toggle. If you want, you could put it, maybe you could put something else. You could put it in a H stack and put an image next to it. Yeah, or whatever. You could, for example, come here. We could say, you don't even need to put it in a H stack. We could put an image, and the system name is going to be what do we call we call it. I think there's a phone, right? So basically, you do that. You could put a phone. So basically, that's how the toggle works. Pretty straightforward. Just make sure the thing to remember is that you connect it. You bind it to a state variable, and that's how toggle works. Thank you for watching this video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and I will see you in the next one.